Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open this. Now, I looked at this, and these are about 100 tall, so I'm going to match this, and we're going to see how it works. If it's too big, we can always resize it. So I'm going to make a image. I already actually made this. It really just matters on the height, because we're going to do them vertically. It'll make sense later. And I'm going to do a width of 1000, just so we have way more than enough space. Now, what's cool about when you already have images, or already have PSDs, you can actually drag them into place. And we can edit from there. So this will be perfect. I'm going to put it all the way on the end. That looks pretty. Now, I make the canvas size. Go with 100. Actually, never mind. I'm just going to stack them on top of each other. So we get that like 100. Let me find them all. Okay, almost done. Cool. Okay, so we have this all done. Now it's about putting them all into place. So we have about 7 of them, so we can just make about 700 width, or 700 height. Okay. We can move them all just a little bit of time. I'm holding down the shift. Now it doesn't really matter what order these go into. I guess I counted this a little wrong. Cool. I can crop this out because we don't need it. Why have it? And now we have to get rid of these backgrounds. Now the cool thing about smart objects when you drag the PSD into here is you can actually go in here and edit these. And now I'm just going to remove the background on each. Actually, don't know where I put the background of this one. Active. There we go. It was hiding. Okay, so now I can actually just save this. And sure enough, it saves in here. Just save one. Actually, I'm going to save this just in case my Photoshop crashes again. I have to do that for each one of these. So I just double click on that and it does the job. Maybe double click on that icon. And just save it. Cool, now we have a sprite. Now I'm just going to save this. Now we have to save as a PNG. Just go to File, Save for Web. And save for PNG. Now, the cool thing about one of the bad things with PNGs is they're a fairly large file type. This really isn't that bad. But while we're doing this, I will show you how to resize your PNGs so they're just a little bit smaller. You drag them into tinypng.org. You can see that I saved 63%. Now, what's even cooler is when you look at the difference between each one, there's like no difference at all, but you save all this space. So imagine really the difference between when you compare this to, I don't know, on like 100 different images, or if this becomes a high traffic site, how much bandwidth you would be saving, and how much load time you're saving for each one of the users. Cool, that's how you do it. Talk to you soon. Bye.